Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's session. In this lecture, we'll explore one of the most important topics in counseling: how to set effective goals in the counseling process. Whether you're studying to become a counselor or already working with clients, this is essential knowledge. What are the goals of counseling? Let's begin by looking at the two main goals of counseling. Primary goal: to help the client resolve their current problems and reduce symptoms. This is the immediate, practical focus of most counseling sessions. Secondary goal: to promote the client's long-term personal growth and development. It's not just about fixing problems, it's about helping the client thrive. Why is goal setting important in counseling? So, why do we emphasize goal setting in counseling? Here are 6 key reasons. It gives direction to the entire counseling process. It allows us to evaluate the counselor's effectiveness. It motivates both the counselor and the client to make progress. It helps create a clear and structured counseling strategy. It provides a way to track improvements. It boosts the client's self-motivation and confidence. The SMART goal-setting principle. One powerful tool used in counseling is the SMART goal framework. British therapist Palmer emphasized that setting SMART goals is a top priority in integrated therapy. Here's what SMART stands for. S. Specific. The more detailed and specific the goal, the easier it is to take action. M. Measurable. Goals should be trackable, so progress is visible. A. Achievable. Set goals that are realistic, not too easy, but not impossible. R. Relevant. The goal should be meaningful and closely related to the client's needs. T. Time-bound. Every goal should have a deadline or time frame to maintain focus. How different counseling theories approach goals. Now let's explore how different psychological approaches define success. Psychoanalytic theory. The goal is to bring unconscious thoughts into awareness and strengthen the ego. Behavioral therapy. The aim is to reduce negative behaviors and increase positive ones. Person-centered therapy. The goal is to help the client become a fully functioning person by resolving inner conflicts. Cognitive therapy. This focuses on replacing automatic negative thoughts with healthier, more rational thinking. Goal-setting guidelines by Worth and Larson. According to counseling experts Worth and Larson, effective goals should be based on what the client truly wants, be stated clearly and measurably, be realistic and achievable, match the counselor's skills and knowledge, align with the values and mission of the organization, promote positive personal growth, never conflict with the counselor's core values or ethics. Types and functions of counseling goals. 2 types of counseling goals. Process goals. Focus on building a safe, respectful, and empathetic environment for the client. Outcome goals. Aim to solve the client's specific problems and bring meaningful life changes. Key functions of setting goals. Motivational. Encourages clients to take active steps toward change. Educational. Helps clients learn how to set goals and handle real-life challenges. Evaluative. Provides a way to measure the progress and adjust the counseling plan. Therapeutic. Tackles real issues in the client's life and leads to practical improvements. That wraps up our overview of counseling goals and how to set them. Remember, the clearer the goal, the more effective the counseling process. Whether you're helping others or working on your own growth, SMART goals can make all the difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.